Hope you all are well. Today we are going to study about social study of class 3rd, chapter number 1. We already studied about this chapter number 1, Earth, our home. So today we are going to discuss about exercise. Okay? Only exercise. Okay? We already study about this chapter, Earth, our home. So today we are only discussing about exercise. Okay? So please take out the notebook, copies, pencils, pen, all, and write down the all exercise. Copy this all. I'll give you time. Copy this all from fill in the blanks, true or false, up to question answer. Okay, I'll give you answer also. I'll explain you all. So copy the questions also, answer also, and write in your notebook. Okay, in your SST notebook. Okay, so chapter number 1, exercise. Okay, let's move towards exercise. Okay. So exercise number 1, fill in a blanks. Okay. I'll give you answer also and I'll explain you also. Write down. Okay, all write. Take out your notebooks and please write. Fill in a blanks. Write at the top exercise. EXERCIS exercise, and question number 1. Fill in a blanks. A. Fill in a blanks. FILL, fill. in a BLANKS, blanks. Okay. So write down another. The Earth is known to be the planet of dash. The Earth is THE, the EARTH, Earth is known, KNOWN, known to be the planet of life. To be the planet of life. Okay? Finished? Question number 2. The layer of air, the layer, layer of air, air, that surrounds, that SURROUNDS, surrounds the earth, earth, is called dash. It's called dash. What? The layer of air that surround the earth. Our earth is a planet which we live. So the layer of air surround our planet called atmosphere. Okay? ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Write down. Atmosphere is the answer. Okay? Write in a dash. Write dash and after that write. Okay? So question number 3. Dash of the earth has water. Dash of the, write down the answer also. 3/4 of the earth has water. THRE, 3 dash FOURTH, fourth of the earth, EARTH, earth has water. WATER, water. 3/4 of the earth has water. Okay, understood? So another is, dash is the air we breathe. Dash is the air we breathe. Okay? Oxygen is the air we breathe. I already told you, we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. We breathe oxygen. Okay. OXYGEN, oxygen is the air we BREATHE breathe. Okay. So orbit, 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 right? In the dash, orbit is a fixed path on which the earth revolves around the sun. Orbit is a fixed path, right? ORBIT, orbit is a fixed, FIXED, fixed path, PATH, on which, WHCH, which the earth, EARTH, earth revolves around the sun, REVOLVES, revolves around the sun, AROUND, around the sun, SUN, sun. Understood? Okay, listen once. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, the earth is known to be the planet of life. Question number 2, the layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Question number 3, 3/4 of the earth has water. You know not 3/4, I already told you that 70% our earth planet covered by water and 30% land. Okay. Oxygen is the air we breathe. Which air we breathe? Oxygen. And last one is orbit is a fixed path on which the earth revolves around the sun. Understood? This is a fill in the blanks. Okay. So another one is choose the correct answer. Write down CHOOSE, choose the correct answer. CORR is city, correct. ANSWER, answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Right? Okay. Number 1. The earth is also known as. The earth is also known as. The earth, EARTH, earth is also known as, is ALSO also, KNOWN, known as. Option number 1, a red planet, a red planet. Option number 2, planet, you know, spelling of planet, 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 okay. Red, RED, red planet. Option number 2, BLUE, blue planet. BLUE, blue, PLANET, planet. Option number 3, brown planet. BROWN, brown, PLANET, planet, brown planet. Option number 4 is green planet. GREEN, green, PLANET, planet. These all are options, that is a red planet, a blue planet, brown planet and green planet. The earth is also known as, question number 1, the earth is also known as, answer is option number 2, that is blue planet, because the earth is our earth planet covered by 70% covered by water, only 30% there is a land, that's why we called blue planet. Okay, so what causes day and night? Another one is, write down what causes day and night. WHAT, what? CAUSES, causes day and night. DAY, day, and NIGST, night. What causes day and night? Option 1, revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Option number 1, revolution. Option number 2, rotation, ROTATION, rotation. ROTATION, rotation. Option number 3, atmosphere, ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Option number 3, ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. And option number 4 is known, NONE, known. I repeat once, what causes day and night? Option number 1, revolutions. Option number 2, rotations. Option number 3, atmosphere. And option number 4 is known. So what causes day and night? The answer is option number 2, that is rotation. Day and night, how rotation cause, I already told you, I already explained you. Okay, so now another one is, the earth spins about an imaginary line called, the earth, write down the EARTH, earth, SPNS, spins about an imaginary line, about ABOUT, about ANN, IMAGINARY, imaginary line called, option number 1, axis, AXIS, axis. Option number 2, orbit, ORBIT, orbit. Option number 3, stick, STICK, stick. Option number 4, top, TOP, top. Okay. The earth spins about an imaginary line called, option number 1, axis. Option number 2, orbit. Option number 3 is stick. And option number 4 is top. So the earth spins about an imaginary line called, the answer is option number 1, that is axis. Okay, so answer is axis, AXIS, that is option number 1. Tick on the option number 1. Are you tick now? So tick on the option number 1. Okay, how long does the earth take to complete one rotations? That is another question. Write down, how long does the earth take to complete one rotation? How long, HOW, how, LONG, long, DOES, does the earth, 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 takes to complete one, TAKES, takes to complete one rotation. COMPLET, complete one rotation, 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 question mark. Okay, how long does the earth take to complete one rotation? Option number 1, 365, 1/4 days. Option number 2, 24 hours, HOURS, hours. Option number 3, 2 days, 2 days, okay, 2. Option number 4, 365 days, DOS, days. So how long does the earth take to complete one rotation? Not revolution, one rotation. How? That is 1 day. 1 day means 24 hours. Okay, the answer is option number 2. Okay, so we finished with the correct answer also. Let's move forward. Okay, so another one is, write T for true and F for false. Okay, write T for true and F for false. Okay, so write down, the earth is known to the earth is known to be the planet of no life. the earth is known to be the planet of no life. Write down. The earth is known to be the planet of no life. Is this true or false? The earth is KNOW known to be the planet 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 of no life. LIFE life. True or false? The answer is false. Because in earth we live. We found many natural resources in our planet. So we live in a planet earth. So here life is possible. Okay, the answer is false. Okay, so number 2, the oxygen is a gas we breathe. The oxygen is a gas we breathe. OXYGEN. Oxygen, spelling of oxygen is OXYGEN. Oxygen is the gas we breathe. Okay, oxygen is the gas we breathe. The answer is true. Yes, we inhale oxygen. Okay, the answer is true. Right T. Okay, the earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the sun. Write down. The earth, THEARTH, earth is one of the 8 planets, PLANETs, planets that moves around the sun. That MOVES moves around 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 the sun. I'll repeat once. The earth is one of the 8 planets that moves around the sun. This is true. The earth is one of the 8 planets that moves around the sun. Okay, this is true. Right T. Okay, the earth gets all the warmth and natural lights from the moon. Is this true or false? The earth gets, right, the EARTHS, earth GETS gets all the warmth and natural light. WARMTS, warmth and natural light. NATURAL, natural. LIGHTS, lights from the moon. MOON, moon. You know the moon, I already told you about moon. We see at the night. Okay, the earth gets all the warmth and natural light from the moon? No. That means answer is false. We get light, heat from sun. Yes, we get light at night, but we get warm, we get heat from sun. Okay, so last one is atmosphere is the layer of air that surround the earth. The layer of air surround the earth is called atmosphere. The layer, atmosphere is the layer of air that surround the earth. The answer is true or false? The answer is true. The layer of air that surround the earth is called atmosphere. Answer is true. That means right T. Okay, so this is right T for true and F for false. So we finished. Hope you copy all. Okay. So another one is, write down, answer the following in one word. Answer the following in one word. Write down. Answer ANSWER. Answer the FOLLOWING following in one word. WORD word. Okay. So one, right? Number 1, the spinning movement of the earth. The spinning, 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 MOVEMENT, movement of the earth is, the spinning movement of the earth is rotation. One word answer. This is one word answer. Okay, the spinning movement of the earth is rotation. The answer is ROTATION, rotation. Number 2, the earth take 1 day to complete it. What earth take 1 day to complete it? Right, the EARTH, earth T-A-K-E, take. 1 D-A-Y, day, 2 C-O-M-P-L-E-T, complete it. One day means day and night, that means rotation. R-O-T-A-T-I-O-N, rotation. Okay, it causes day and night. Just before I told you, it causes day and night, that means rotation. The spinning moment of the earth is rotation. The earth take 1 day to complete it. Rotation. It causes day and night, rotation. One word answer, that is rotation. Okay, so another one is this movement of the earth around the sun. The movement of the earth, all the planets move around the sun. The movement of the earth, but earth, the movement of the earth planet around the sun is called revolution. The answer is revolutions. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution. Write down the answer. The answer is revolution. Okay, revolution. Oh, so last number, fifth number. The earth take E-A-R-T-H, earth take. Write down, the earth take 365 1/4 days to complete it. You can write 365 only also, days to complete it. 365 days means 1 year. The earth take 1 year to complete it. What complete it? Earth take. The earth take 365 1/4 day to complete it. The answer is revolution. Means move around the sun. The earth take 365 days to move around the sun. That means 1 year. The answer is revolutions. R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, revolution. Okay, so hope you understand. I'll repeat once. The spinning moment of the earth, that is rotation. The earth take the earth take 1 day to complete it. Rotation. It causes day and night. Rotation. This moment of the earth around the sun. Revolution. The earth take 365 1/4 days to complete it. Revolution, the answer. Okay, so let's move forward. So another one is answer the following question. Your questions, all questions are here in textbook also. You can copy from there also, but write down the answer. Okay, write down in your notebook. Okay, so answer the following questions. Question number 1. What makes up the earth? W-H-A-T, what? M-A-K-E-S, makes up the earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Question mark. Answer is, what makes up the earth? The earth's surface is made up of land, water, and the air is all around it. The earth's surface, answer, write down the answer. T-H-E, the E-A-R-T-H, earth. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface, is made up, U-P, up of land, L-A-N-D, land, comma, W-A-T-E-R, water, comma, and the air, A-I-R, air, and the air is all around it, A-R-O-U-N-D-I-T, it, around it. What makes up the earth? The earth's surface is made up of land, water, and the air all around it. Okay, understood? I'll repeat once. What makes up the earth? The earth's surface is made up of land, water, and the air is all around it. Okay. So another questions is, how does the rotations of the earth cause day and night? how does the rotation, you know na, rotation of the earth cause day and night. Rotation take 24 hours, that means one day. It cause one day, that means day and night. Okay, the earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Write down. Okay, how does the rotations of the earth cause day and night? Question mark. Answer is the earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth takes, write down fast. Okay, the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The earth take 24 hours, 24 hours, hours to complete, complete, complete one rotation, ROTAT, and rotations on its axis, axis, fully stop. When the earth rotates, comma, WHEN, when the earth, ROTATES, rotates, comma, a part of its face, the sun, comma, the part of, when the earth rotates, the part of its, that this is the earth. When the earth rotates, the part of its face, the sun, this part of the earth that receives sunlight has day. This part of the earth that receives sunlight has day, and this part of the earth that is away from the sun, that receives no light, it has night. Okay, it has night. Okay, so I'll repeat once. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. When the earth rotates, comma, a part of its face, sun. So this part of the earth that receives sunlight has day. This part of the earth, RECEIVES, receives sunlight. RECEIVES receives SUNLIGHT, sunlight. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. Okay, has day. Fully stop. The part of the earth, right? The part of the earth that is away from the sun, receives no light. RECEIVES, receives no light. It has night. Okay, so this is causes day and night, rotation. Okay, so another questions is question number 3. Write down. Okay, what is the difference between rotation and revolution? What is the, write down, what is the difference? DIFFERENC, difference, BETWEEN, between rotation and revolution. You know na, rotation and revolutions of the earth. Rotation, 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 and revolution, REVOLUTION, revolution. Okay, so answer is question mark. The answer is the spinning of the earth around its axis is called rotation. The spinning of the earth, what is rotation? Is earth, the spinning movement of the earth, slowly movement of the earth around the axis, around its axis is called rotation, from north to south pole. Okay, the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called a revolution. So what is revolutions? Movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. So you know difference between rotation and revolutions. Revolutions means movement around the earth, movement around the sun, movement of the earth around the sun. All planets move around the sun, like that earth also move. So movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called a revolution. rotation, you know. So the rotation of the earth divides it into a lit up half of the dark half. Dark half. The rotation of the earth divides it into a lit up half and half dark. That means half dark and half light. When it goes in rotation. In 24 hours, 12 hours light and 12 hours is dark. That means when earth move front of the sun at that time, the half earth gets light. That means day. And the half earth does not get light. That means night. Which give rise to day and night. Which give rise to day and night. How day and night? Because I already told you, na? Rotation. 12 hours day, 12 hours night. Okay? So the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 1 year, or precisely in 365.242 days, and cause season. I explained you before in the revolutions how season is caused, how summer season is caused, how winter season is caused. The earth complete revolutions around the sun in 1 year. That means 365.242 days. Cause season. How summer and winter season cause. Okay. So let's move towards another questions. Okay. So our another question, and this is our last questions. What makes the earth a special planet? What makes the earth a special planet? Write down the question. What makes the earth a special planet? What makes the earth a special planet? Question mark. SPECIL, special planet. PLANET, planet. Okay. So it is unique among planets in our solar system for having water on its liquid form at the surface. Write down. It is unique among planets. Our earth is unique. It is unique, UNIQUE, unique among planets, AMONG, among planets, PLANETS, planets in our solar system. In our solar system, for having water in its liquid form at the surface. We have water, na? In its liquid form at the surface. Full stop. Because of its water, earth is home to millions of species of plants and animals. Because of its water, earth is home to EARTH, earth is HOME, home to millions of species of plants and animals. Millions, MILLIONS, millions. Millions, billions, you know, na? Millions of species, you know, species. Species of plants and animals means plants, types, different types of plants, we saw different plants in our area, like that. Okay. different species and different animals. Okay, different species of plants and different species of animals. Okay, so finish. Another, earth is blessed with EART, as earth is blessed with BLESSED, blessed with natural resources. NATURAL, natural, RESOURCES, resources. You know the natural resources, air, water, land. Here is example. Like, earth is blessed with natural resources like land, 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 comma, WATER, water, comma, and air, 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 that support life on earth, that support life on earth. Okay, so I'll repeat once. What makes the earth a special planet? It is unique among planets in our solar system for having water in its liquid form at the surface. Full stop. Because of its water, earth is home to millions of species of plants and animals. Full stop. Earth is blessed with natural resources like land, water, and air that support life on earth. So this is our last questions. Hope you copy all. See you on next class. Okay.